Recap Emily. It's August 16th, 2022. I want to teach you something that you might want to be interested in with if you don't want to cough at night. Try drinking something warm, but just sip it very little at a time. Number two, don't eat too much spicy foods, greasy foods, or consume anything that's too sweet. Number three, and this one's really important, but get enough exercise. And drink the correct fluids, water or electrolyte or sports drinks. So please remember. So please comment, like, rate, share, subscribe, discuss, and you have a